Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change the profile picture in Microsoft Teams. So if you don't have downloaded the Microsoft Teams, you can easily download it from the Microsoft Store by clicking on the start button. Then you have to search for the Microsoft Store option from here. Then you have to click on the Microsoft Store here. After that you have to wait couple of seconds to it get loaded, and we are loading. After that you have to search for the team option from here, and here you will get the app of Microsoft Teams. And after that, if you click on the Teams, then you will get the app. But if you want to change your profile picture, then you have to log into your Microsoft account in your browser. I am choosing the Google Chrome browser here. Then when you log in into your Microsoft account, you will see this page, and after that you have to click on this here. Then you have to click on the my profile option from here, and here you have to wait couple of seconds up to it get loaded according to your internet connection speed. After that you have to click on the add a photo, and then you can choose any photos from your device that you have currently, and from the device you can choose any photos and you can easily upload it to here. And after that it will also change your photos in Microsoft account and also change the photos in Microsoft Team. So that's how you can easily change your easily change your profile picture in Microsoft Team. So thank you very much for watching this video.